Really?
Sir, we know that because of science. Sir, we know that because of science.
Okay, next. So one by one will come. First, Aisha will tell what is the importance of science in our daily life. So anyways, it is a special day for the science. It will come once a year, right? So they have the session on that today itself. Then we'll finish the remaining part in the reproduction in plants. Okay. So everyone be prepared what you have to tell. So starting with Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
tell
I
me.
have to.
Sorry, Srusti.
Sir, give me at last, sir.
Oh, nice. Booking the slot for the last seat in the first itself.
Yes.
Next, Aisha.
Yes, sir. And one more thing I've seen in Google today. It's that one. That something word, sir. I'm unable to pronounce it. That commemorate the discovery of the Raman effect.
Good. Next, only 2 lines.
Yeah, sir. I prefer short.
It should not be this much short. It is okay to be say in the short.
Okay.
So any one of you can come voluntarily and tell what is the importance of science in our daily life, or what is the special of this day. Guys, come on. No one.
Sir, I don't know the importance of this day, sir.
Okay, just tell me what is the importance of science then. Okay, shall we have one session now? I will give you 5 minutes. You search in the internet.
Sir, I'd say science is the most important subject because everything we do requires
Yes, sir.
science for it. Like I'm not comparing subjects, sir, but other subjects like English, we could still function without it. But science is literally our essence. The universe started because of physics, which is a branch of science. Biology is why our
1 minute,
body
Ishan.
works.
Good. Whatever the points are telling, good.
Almost
So
everything we do in life, sir, is
1 minute, Ishan.
yes, sir.
Yeah, remaining people are there, right? Just no time is 6:15. 6:20, 5 minutes. I will give you the time. Just you search the internet about the science and the science day specialty, and you can tell me after that. Is it okay? So till that time, Ishan will give his own views. What about the science and all? Fine. So your time will start now. Till 6:20, I will give you the time. Research what are the important points, and we'll see how much information you'll gather within this 5 minutes. Okay, your time starts now. Yeah, Ishan, please continue.
Sir, all of the things we use in our daily life, like elevators or doors, chairs, even our laptops we use, sir, they all require chemistry and physics. Not physics, yeah, physics for a lot of them, but chemistry, sir. So almost everything we do, actually everything we do, sir, requires like we learned about it from science. I don't know how to explain it like that, sir. But
Okay, very good. Next, anyone?
Sir, I know about like who named science and who is father of.
Yeah, you can give the answer. You know only who is the father of science, or individually who is the father of biology, physics, and the chemistry?
Sir, the father of science I've heard that is Albert Einstein called Galileo the father of modern science.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's Galileo Galilei, no? Yeah,
Galileo
sir.
Galileo.
Like we celebrate Science Day to celebrate the invention of C.V. Raman, C.V. Raman's Raman Effect. Sir, here Raman Effect, sir, it is the change length of light, sir, which occurs when the light is deflected by the molecules.
Good. Next. It's already time.
So this day is celebrated on 28th February to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect. On this day, Indian physics sir C.V. Raman announced the discovery of Raman effect, for which he was awarded Nobel Prize in 1930. In 1986, Government of India designated 28th February as National Science.
Good. Next.
Sir, and we use cars, bikes, bicycles, etc. to go from one
To go from one place to other place without our
invention of
wasting our
science,
energy, right?
and use LPG gas.
Use LPG gas.
If there is light, electric things, sir, that
Okay,
is
good.
also by the help of science.
Good.
The science
Next.
is also used in astronomy. Sir, sir, like to create satellites and sir, all the like in the history, whenever the like any astronaut went into space, sir, they were able to go into space because of science.
Okay, good. So, any other? Ishan, Srasti, Mahavir, and Aisha has given their points. Good. Remaining people: Ahana Singh, Chaitanya, Kohit, Ritvik Nimala.
No, ma'am. No,
Sir, I just found out that Science Day is celebrated so that they can keep the world aware of science and show the friendliness, like show the technology and science things in each and every country.
Okay, good. Next. Ahana, Chaitanya, Ritvik Nimala.
Yes, sir.
So, what you searched from the last 5 minutes or 8 minutes? Sorry. What you found about the importance of science?
Sir,
Day?
actually, I wasn't near my computer.
sir, literally everything I wanted to say, everybody said, sir. Sir, my point was that even if you want to go to space, that we need science, but Mahavir already told that.
Okay, just tell me whatever the points you find. It's okay, no
Sir,
problem if it is repeating also.
yes, sir. Like, if you want to know more about where we are living, literally where we are standing, we found out that we are living in Earth. That's also science. Sir, like even if you want to find something new, why is that? If like some virus or something is there, we need science. If that person is dying, to find out how he died, we need science, sir.
Very good point, simple point. From the time we came onto the earth till the time we death, the science only plays important role, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir, we can say science is everywhere.
Yes, sir. Not only the modern things, sir. Sir, even when like there are no modern things, sir, like the molecules in a like in a living being or even a non-living being, sir, everything is science.
Good. So science is a vast subject and which is very important to study about the science in our daily lives, because our day begins with the application of the science like gadgets, light, power, electricity,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Vehicles,
Even in
food.
the then Google will tell that like first we brush our teeth.
In the air we breathe, the quality of the air, right? The transport we used, everything is science only, right? So without the science, we cannot imagine our life first. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So science is nothing but again the having three subparts: biology, physics, and chemistry. So there is a lot of importance to biology. Then only we are our human beings are like this. So example, if you see the COVID itself, from the past 3 years, we are suffering from the COVID, and for that we are finding the different types of vaccines. So again, all these vaccines are developing with the knowledge of science itself, right?
Yes, sir. Biology to be specific.
Right. And we are moving from one place to other place, or we are finding the electricity. Our life become easy with the help of these gadgets. Now we are attending the online classes with the help of laptops and mobile phones. So all the things are also happened because of innovations, technology, and all.
Science.
So related to the again the science, that is the physics and the chemistry about the chipsets and all. And there is a lot of physical change and the chemical change will happen in our surroundings in every minute, or you can say in every second also. So what is the physical change and chemical change? Obviously it comes into the chemistry part, or you can take the whole universe is just a matter. So matter is studying of the matter is only the chemistry, right? Hello, can you hear me or not? Hello, hello,
Sir.
can you hear me?
Yeah. Oh,
Yes, sir.
So whole universe is just a matter. Again, the studying about the matter, about the different types of matter is the chemistry. So it's also a part of the science. So science is not just a one discipline; it is connected with the multidisciplined one. When you go for the social, there is a science will be there. If you go for the other subjects, also there will be science. So each and every aspect of our life, you have the application of the science. So generally, we'll celebrate this Science Day to commemorate the Raman Effect. So he is the first scientist, first Indian scientist who got the Nobel Prize. You know what is the prestigious? It's a Nobel Prize is the most prestigious prize in the world itself. So he's the first scientist from India who got the Nobel Prize on his work Raman scattering, right? Scattering of the light. So to commemorate his day, we'll celebrate the National Science Day on Feb 28th every year to spread the awareness about the science to the different people, about the innovations, about the technology, about the defense system, right? So just to keep the
Yes.
awareness about the science, we are celebrating this day. So it should be very important for you also know about the science. So your homework for tomorrow is, for today's homework is write a essay on the science day in 1,000 words. You have to
So we have to
compulsory,
write an essay.
yeah, in the 1,000 words on the science day itself. So once a year it is coming. So again, we are studying as the science as a separate subject. So you should have the knowledge about that. Okay, clear? Is it okay or not? No response again.
So it's,
Hmm?
sir, it's okay.
Sorry, I can't hear your voice properly.
Sir, it's okay.
Okay, good. So we'll come back to the topic. It's already time. So in the last class, we have done the sexual reproduction part completely in the plants.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
yeah,
In last class, I've told you about the datura flower. You said you don't know about it. You will check it.
sorry, I didn't check it.
Yes, sir. That's also a bisexual flower.
Okay, just you can take that flower. I mean, you can search that flower and you can keep it ready. I will give you the screen access in the last. You can project it on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. But you are attending from mobile phone itself, right? Not the system.
Yeah, sir. I can share still.
No problem. You can share the flower to me in the chat box. I'll enable the chat.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the last class, we're studying about the sexual reproduction in the plants. And just we started with the sexual reproductive part of the plant, also that is the flower. About the different parts we studied in the last class. Right? So just we have done the different terminology like a pollination, fertilization, embryo, zygote, male gametes, female gametes, pollen grains, and all. Right in the last class. So you can see the two different organs, reproductive organs in the flower. One is the male reproductive organ, which is the stamen, that will contain the anther and the filament. Inside the anther only will have the pollen grains. The next one is the pistil. So again, the pistil is a female reproductive organ of the flower. It will contain the three parts: stigma, style, and the ovary. So inside the ovary only will have the ovules. So whenever these pollen grains will come in contact with, or will fuse with the ovules, it will form the, what it will form? Hello.